Good day everyone, this is Born in Batanes once again. Today I would like you to meet a very new addition to my very busy kitchen. This one is a pasta machine. It's a birthday gift from my Team Batcave family, Flying Fox, Batluna, and Bat Anishinaabe, and of course Team Airclips. So I've been wanting to buy this for some time. But every time I go to the store, I look at it and then I look at the price and then I go away because it's a bit pricey. But now I am so happy that I have it. Thank you very much for the best gift ever. So this is a manual pasta machine. You can have the electrical one, but it's a bit more expensive. But this one, since we're not a professional and we're just new to it, so manual is perfect. So what we have here is a clamp that you will attach on the table so the machine doesn't move every time you use it. So it stays there and you can do whatever you need to do. So you put it in the hole there and then you attach it on the table, and then it stays and it will not move. So with this machine you can make quite a few shapes of pasta. You can make vermicelli, parpardelle, trenette, lasagnette, capellini, linguini, mafeldine, reginette, bigoli, spaghetti, spaghetti shitara, and you can even make ravioli. So there you go, you can attach it like that and it will not move, it won't budge. And this one is a handle for you to be able to turn. So it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's moving. So this is, I think, the shape of the pasta. And this side is for the sheet. If you want to make your pasta a little bit thinner, and this knob here is to determine how thick your pasta will be. And so there you have it. So please watch out for the upcoming video because we're going to make a lot of fun with this machine. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye bye.